Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can use HomeBase. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is go to top right and click Get Started. Now let's just wait until it loads. Do you own a managed business? Are you an employee joining a team? Choose one of these. I'm going to manage a business, Marcus Stone, my email, password, and mobile number. Continue. Company name, zip code, industry are you in? I'm going to choose professional services 1 to 5. Continue. And now, what brings you to HomeBase? What are you looking for to do with HomeBase? So we got options between scheduling, time tracking, payroll, then field or remote employees, multiple locations, managers. So scheduling and time tracking for me. Do you have any of the following? So I don't have any of these, but if you have, just choose them. Press continue. What else can we help with? Let us know what we'd like to accomplish so we can personalize HomeBase for you. So we can go with communication, availability, compliance, HR, overtime labor. Choose your own. Continue. Now it's going to load up for you. And I'm going to show you everything what you need. So you can get also mobile application if you want. And here we go. So first thing first, when you would go to the top left, you would see dashboard under HomeBase. Here, you're gonna have all the basic things that you need. So first thing first, you can add some employees. Let's start with that. And we are in a team and roster. Here, you can simply add a team going to top right. So I'm going to click add a team. And now you have options to add employees individually. You can bulk add them, or you can connect your point of sale. So I'm going to click add employees individually. Here I will add a first name, Marcus, last name employee. And you can add also, as you can see, contact information as a mobile phone and email address. Then you have access level. Access level means that you can customize access levels and permissions under team permissions in settings. It can be employee, manager, or general manager. Then you're going to see the last thing, role here. And role, you can create one, or you can choose from these roles. Wage, let's say I'm going to add $20 an hour. I will go save and finish. So voila, Marcus employee was added. And as you can see, we have the Marcus employee right here. Of course, you can add email, phone. I'm not going to do it because it's not necessary in this tutorial. But further, we can go to dashboard again. And the next thing we're going to see, explore schedule builder. So first thing first, I'm going to click start here. And when I'm going to click start, I gotta see everything here. So you're gonna see the employees. You can switch between employee. Then you're gonna have the week here that you can change. Then on the right side, you're gonna have tools here, like add event, add a time of backout, clear, sort by, show and hide, templates. You can also copy, print. So these are the things that you can do. Now, then you're going to see the open shifts here. And what you can do is simply click add here. And now you're going to see the custom, common, time off, common. Once you start to schedule this employee, you will automatically see their most common shifts here to add to the schedule. So custom, let's say, applied to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I would click add. You can also change the time here. Click add. And you can also add a shift note. No thanks. As you can see, here we go, here we have it. Now, what you can do is go to top right and click publish. So total hours 40, total labor cost 800. And then send employees their schedule through the text message, publish. And then what you can do, you can repeat it. So let's say I'm going to repeat for 2 weeks, repeat schedule. So right now, as you can see, look at this. I got it for the next week because I pressed repeat schedule. Therefore, for the next week, it's going to be presented too. It's really amazing, right? So this is something that you can actually do, and it's actually amazing. Then under schedule, we're going to see the depths and roles. Here, you can add simply new department, and I can like edit marketing. And I can press sales associate, and there like add more like jobs. So that's something you can do. Then under depth and roles, you're going to see the team availability. So when they are available, and my availability, when I am available. So you can work it on the two. Now, when we go back to the dashboard, you can see clearly that you can also start tracking hours and check your local settings and preferences. So track employee hours, let's go to that. Right now, we are not in schedule anymore, not dashboard, we are in a timesheet. And as you can see, we gonna see everything here about the hours worked. So we see that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we see that we got scheduled for 8 hours. And then I would like need to review. So I will review this. Cash tips, clock out, clock in. Okay. And then this is like not shown because it's already 5 of Thursday. So this like not shown. But that's all right. And then you could edit it here, right? You can add a clock in. And then you see that like missing break, add break. See, you need to unpaid break missing, add a break. So you need to like add breaks here for the employee. And this is pretty much it how it works with the timesheets. You can add a time card and you would see everything here, right? And you can see when I edited that the person was actually there and he would be there. The wage is automatically here, right? So that's really good. Then under timesheets, we have summaries. So that's pretty much it to all in timesheets. Summaries, you see the labor. This is like the summary of everything. Back to the timesheets, I want to explain one thing that sometimes you can get like lost here. You can also download it. You can add a time card for the employee. So that's something you can add to if you're gonna have like multiple employees. And right here, you see that we don't have like 10-min paid break. Then we have summaries here. And get a time clock. So mobile, tablet, web time, launch, personal. And then you like clock in by yourself. So that's pretty much it. Then we have the payroll here, but we are not going to in this tutorial cover payroll. If you want me to cover payroll, let me down in comments and I will do it. Theme, time of documents, onboard HR Pro, hiring. You see that we're gonna see the jobs, view applicants, interviews, career page. So you can like also hire, and you can create a job post. See, and you can add a job description, add a payout here, and everything. So that's pretty straightforward what you can do. So in hiring and payroll, if you want me to, I can cover them. Manager log. You would see everything here about notes, etc. And then we have like reports here, advanced reporting that you can use, updated, safety. And that's pretty much it. And the last thing are settings here that you can change and edit all about your addresses and stuff like that. So this is pretty much it, how we can use HomeBase. This was a HomeBase tutorial. HomeBase for you, HomeBase tutorial, HomeBase for the beginners, HomeBase scheduling tool for everyone. And yep, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.